In the tumultuous year of 1944, the world was engulfed in the chaos of World War II. Amidst the battlefields and the struggle for freedom, a momentous event unfolded. A city held captive by occupation saw its skies brighten with hope. This is the story of Paris, a city liberated by the Allies, where the spirit of resistance triumphed against the forces of tyranny. For 4 long years, Paris had endured the heavy hand of occupation. German soldiers patrolled its streets, and the city's iconic landmarks were overshadowed by the presence of an oppressor. But within its heart, the flame of resistance burned fiercely. As the Allies pushed onward, the tide of war began to turn. The brave men and women of the French resistance had risked their lives to defy the occupation. In the shadows, they organized acts of sabotage, gathered intelligence, and kept the hope of liberation alive. Their unwavering courage served as a beacon for the city, a reminder that freedom was worth fighting for. As the summer of 1944 approached, the Allies launched Operation Overlord, a daring plan to liberate Europe from Nazi control. The stage was set for a momentous confrontation, and the world held its breath as the liberation of Paris came into focus. In a coordinated effort, Allied forces pushed through the enemy lines, making their way towards the City of Light. The sounds of battle echoed through the countryside as the world watched, hopeful that the city's liberation was within reach. August 25, 1944, a day etched into history. The streets of Paris became a battleground as the resistance and Allied forces launched a concerted attack against the occupying Germans. The air was charged with tension, and the city's fate hung in the balance. And then, like a burst of sunlight through the clouds, the moment arrived. On August 25, the people of Paris heard the news they had been yearning for: the Allies were at the gates. The city's defenders fought valiantly, and amidst the chaos, a chorus of joyous cries swept through the streets. The liberation of Paris had come. Allied soldiers marched through the iconic Arc de Triomphe, marking the end of Nazi rule. Parisians poured into the streets, celebrating their newfound freedom with tears of joy, laughter, and a sense of camaraderie that transcended all differences. The City of Light, once shrouded in darkness, was now bathed in the brilliance of victory. The Eiffel Tower, once an emblem of occupation, now stood tall as a symbol of resilience and triumph. Paris had reclaimed its soul. The liberation of Paris was not just a military victory, it was a testament to the enduring spirit of humanity. It showcased the power of unity and the determination to overcome oppression. Paris had become a living embodiment of hope realized. Today, the echoes of those triumphant days still resound through the streets of Paris. The memory of liberation lives on, a testament to the strength of the human spirit in the face of adversity. The liberation of Paris in 1944 remains a poignant reminder that even in the darkest of times, the flame of freedom can never be extinguished. It's a story of ordinary people rising to the extraordinary, reminding us that the pursuit of liberty is a beacon that guides us through the darkest nights. Subscribe to my channel if you like these historical videos and click on the top left box for the story of D-Day, the invasion of Normandy. Thanks for watching.